Hello traders, the title of the video is how to use a narrow consolidation chart pattern for day trading on the edge. Alright, are you a day trader? Are you looking for powerful day trading setup? Alright, today I want to share with you how you can use a narrow consolidation chart pattern for day trading on the edge of a trend line. All right, so what are we looking for? This is a very important question. All right, so we are looking for a narrow consolidation. This is a very narrow consolidation on a monthly chart, because you can see the size of that rising channel is quite narrow, with the high here. If you accept that and the high here, we draw the first line, or we connect this point, this low here, and this one here. Allow us to draw the first line on the monthly chart, and we can select one point up here, and we draw another line that is parallel. As you can see, this channel is quite narrow. This is very, very important, because the price is squeezed in a narrow, right, a consolidation, a channel. It's like going through a tunnel that is very narrow, so there is not enough room for the price to move. All right, very, very important. You want to find one of those narrow consolidation on the monthly chart. You can also look for it on the weekly chart. But personally, for this particular strategy, we can look for it on the 4-hour time frame. But I prefer that trader use the monthly chart. Look for a narrow, consolidation on the monthly chart. Very, very important. And we have one here. So what are we looking for? Once we finish to draw, the channel, so this point. And this point allow us to draw the channel, and then we select one point at the top to draw another line that is parallel. So because the price is confined in a narrow channel, if the price rises up to the top of the channel, you see here, let's place a vertical line there where the price touches the channel here. This is a day trading setup. What you need to do, you need to go to, for instance, hourly time frame, looking for bearish chart pattern, looking for bearish trading setup, and then you can implement a top-down trading method, or you can go to the 2-hour time frame or 4-hour time frame, looking for day trading setup, and then you implement a top-down trading method. Now, if you do not want to do that, you can go straight away to the 15-minute time frame or 10-minute time frame, looking for bearish chart pattern, bearish trading setup on the edge. Very, very important, on the edge of the upper trend line. All right, very powerful, very, very powerful, because the professional are watching, because they know that it's a narrow. Here you see you. So what you need, that's why I say to you, it's better to use a top-down trading method. So you want to go first to the 4-hour time frame, 2-hour time frame, hourly time frame, and then break it down so you do not get into trouble. But even on the 50-minute time frame, you will see it. If there is a bearish chart pattern on the edge, you will see here. Here there was no one, and the price breaks above the channel, but quickly they push it back inside the channel. So we will be looking for opportunity to sell for day trading purposes on the upper trend line, and we will be looking for opportunity to buy on the lower part of on the lower trend line right here. So this particular month, so you'll be watching the stock carefully. So what you need to do, you can, like you see coming down, you can draw a line there. You see, as this month is coming down, or you see on a daily chart, weekly chart is coming down. You can draw a line there and say, all right, you can put a line there, and you can, before you switch to your lower time frame, looking for day trading setup. All right, very, very powerful day trading strategy. Here you see, if you apply that as it came here, if you've identified day trading opportunity on the edge of the lower trend line of that narrow channel, you will be rewarded. Here again, it pop up a bit, but you can see here there was a bit of shadow. Am I talking to myself? There was a bit of shadow on right here. You see, this is what you are looking for as a day trader, the short-term momentum on the edge. Here you see this candlestick bar, it also got a shadow, which means people sold it a bit, before he recovered. All right. So here is this one here. He touches it. All right. Touch it. All right. And that candlestick bar close there. And then the following month, he just start coming down. You see here again. This one also got a bit of shadow. This is what we are looking for. All right. In a narrow. All right. A consolidation, a chart pattern. All right. Very simple. Very powerful. Though it looks very simple, trader must be very, very patient. Be very, very patient. Don't rush, all right? And what I would suggest, practice first. Use it, all right? Practice until you master it before going live. Very powerful day trading strategy because the price confined between a resistance, which is the upper trend line, and a support level, which is the lower channel. Because the price is not getting out of that channel, or if you like to use the word tunnel, all right, so to speak, anytime it reaches the upper level, there are others there to sell. And as a day trader, you want to take advantage of that, all right? Very narrow, channels, all right? So there was another one here. If you look carefully here, if you draw this one, squeeze the channel, all right, if you want to apply that. Some traders may use a Bollinger Band, but I prefer trend lines. So we hear the expression squeeze the Bollinger Band. All right, use the trend line instead. Okay, it's a squeeze a channel consolidation taking place in a narrow channel. All right, so anytime it comes down here, you switch to your lower time frame, draw the line. Okay, as it touches that edge on the edge of the channel, you implement your bullish day trading strategy. If it comes to the top of the narrow channel, you implement your bearish day trading strategy. You need to be very careful. If it breaks above that horizontal line, don't fight it. Be patient, all right? Because you want to see first whether people are selling on the edge. And if you go to the lower time frame, what you are doing, you are zooming to the price action. You are monitoring the reaction of the price on the edge of that narrow channel. All right. So we're going to go now to the weekly chart. You see that that first channel that I draw is also here on the weekly chart. So here it is. Okay. If you don't want to wait, you see here on the edge, and then you don't just rush and buy and sell. All right. Wait for a clear-cut bearish trading setup. Wait for a clear-cut bearish trading signal on the edge of the upper level, and look for a clear-cut bullish day trading setup on the edge of the lower, a trend line. All right, very simple but very powerful. Because what you are doing, in fact, even if you go to the daily chart, you can see part of it. For swing trading, we can apply the same strategy, in fact, for swing trading. But I recommend for day trader to use that. It's here on the daily chart, touch the upper level, touch it here, bounce up, touch it here, you see. This is what you are looking for now, because the price going up, but it's squeezed. No room for the price to move very much. So as long as it's squeezed in that channel, all right, we will be applying that strategy until a breakout occur. So you can trade it on the edge until you see finally the price will break above that narrow channel and retest it, and you can again trade it normally above the channel looking for bullish chart pattern. Though I'm talking about a bullish a day trading signal here, the same strategy is also true in a downtrend when the price is confined in a narrow, declining channel. I'm looking for one example here. Let's see. All right, you get a message. All right, very simple. All right, draw the narrow channel. All right, draw it. Check whether it's truly narrow. If it's a bit wide, be careful. Right? If it's a bit wide, be careful, because unless you are using what we call channeling. And when we are using channeling, we are talking about swing trading. We want to use the channeling trading strategy for swing trading. I recorded a video recently that I posted. I will be posting at 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. The title of the video is about the secret of swing trading reveal. In that video, I was talking about channeling. All right, but this one is a little bit different. We are looking for a very, very tight, narrow channel preferably on the monthly chart, and we want to trade where? On the edge of the upper trend line and also on the edge of the lower channel, looking for bullish and bearish, okay, day trading strategy. So from there we just switch to, all right, to the lower time frame. You see this here is quite narrow, but you see the price is not oscillating, just dropping down. Ignore those ones. So a channel like this one here is almost vertical. All right, don't use this one because the price is not oscillating. Here is oscillating in a narrow channel. That's what you are looking for. Don't look for those one where the price is just going down. Boom, 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 boom. Don't use this one. It's not good for us as such, but we prefer a narrow, tight, okay, squeeze, so to speak. All right, a channel, okay, consolidation, okay, on a monthly chart, preferably on a monthly chart, though we can use the daily chart for our time frame. All right, but for this strategy, I highly recommend that traders stick only to the monthly chart. You work better on the monthly chart because those trend line on the monthly charts are high impact trend line, okay, so to speak. All right. As always, if you have any question or suggestion, feel free to put in the comment section, and in due course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. As you are practicing, trying to master this day trading strategy, all right, if you face some challenges, come back, put a comment there, I'll look at it. And in due course, we will record another video to clarify, okay, or to share with traders how you can handle that. All right. If you find this video truly useful, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that Joe, you have not done a very good job today, all right, that's fine. We can disagree today. All right. So that will give us the thumbs down, and that will put us under pressure to work harder for you. All right. This will conclude our discussion today, talking about how to use, okay, a narrow consolidation chart pattern for day trading on the edge of a trend line. All right, this is another one here, very narrow channel. All right, play up and down and be very patient. Sometimes you break through it, but you quickly go back. Be gently on the edge, all right, and take it like a pro. Look for a clear-cut signal, high probability trading setup. You may see a double top. You may see an inverted head and shoulder pattern on the lower part of the channel. Look for a clear-cut indication that now is ready to go out and enter the trade like a pro. If you're on the hourly time frame and the hourly candlestick bar, this is very important, is coming to the edge, or suppose you are here and or you see, or now you drop to the hourly time frame, you see the candle is coming to the edge like this. Be patient. Wait for that candlestick bar that is touching, okay, the lower part of the channel to close. Same thing if you are, for instance, on the 2 hour time frame, hourly time frame, and you see it's coming to the edge of the upper trend line. Wait for that candlestick bar to close first before you start looking for the trading signal. Very important. All right. This will conclude our discussion today about how to use a narrow consolidation chart pattern for day trading on the edge. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW24 traders talking about how to use a narrow consolidation chart pattern for day trading on the edge of a trend line. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.